Julian,
What?
what we doing?
Today we're gonna do a bird's nest hunt.
All right.
Everyone, and I'm your host.
Okay.
So
well,
follow me, and I will show you one bird that I think might live in the nest.
all right.
I see one.
Where?
Right here.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think that nest it's so little, so it might be a hummingbird.
You think so?
Yes, I think it might be a hummingbird.
Oh,
And
okay. This is
then
first bird's nest.
that's like
And then where? Where else?
this way, everyone, this way. It's in the thorny bushes. I call this nest the thorny bushes nest.
Yeah.
Yes, because this nest is in a thorny bush.
I think that's a bird's nest of a blue jay or.
I think it's a hummingbird because it's
cardinal.
so small.
You think so?
Ready? This way, everyone.
Okay, that's the second one.
No,
Oh,
I found one over here
where?
yesterday. Right there. I found it yesterday.
Oh, right there. See that right here? Hold on.
Crawling pine needle.
Oh, right here. Did you guys see that? Oh, right here. That's the third one. Wow. All right.
Next one.
That's a bird's house right
Look, I
there.
can reach all the way up here.
Bird's house. Julian's
So,
bird house.
so first,
Okay, we're gonna go that way. Where are we going, Julian?
next way,
Okay.
this way.
Be careful. All right. You're gonna show me the fourth one?
Here's the fourth one. I'll point you with the stick.
Okay.
Here.
Oh, that's the fourth one. I think it's a hummingbird nest right there.
I think so too.
You think so?
So let's continue our walk.
Huh? Where are we going?
Let's continue our walk.
We're gonna go back this way.
Yes, and earlier,
Where are you?
this
We're here. Go.
this girl that's filming us saw a bird's nest way up there in the trees. So
Yeah.
let's go see where she found it.
Okay.
Tell us where it is.
You gotta tell us more about bird because you like birds.
Well, birds are actually modern ancestors of dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. I did not know that.
And guess what? Birds
I like.
Birds
What
are
about?
actually small animals.
Yeah.
Yes, and some
What is your-
even come in shapes and sizes.
What is your favorite bird?
My favorite bird that actually lives today is actually the purple martin.
Yeah.
So, Mama, tell us where you found it. Somewhere around here.
It's right there.
Right there.
And then the other one is right there. The third one is right there. And then the fourth one is all the way out there. Okay.
So that's our host for today, and that's our show about birds today. See you
That
next
was-
time
yeah.
on Bird Host.
That is so exciting. Wow. All right, so you say bye-bye. You say bye-bye.
Bye.